like this, being on the floor at Maddie's house, and she would press on my chest, and I go, ah! And then I'd eat mac and cheese or pizza. She got this really bad Chinese food one time, and she forced herself to eat it.
So we're gonna have to send this video to Maddie.
Oh my god! I don't sound like me. My back hurts. Oh, my back hurts.
Yeah.
Just a little. I can't even control what I'm saying. Like what I'm saying right now, like I'm gonna hate myself tomorrow. I don't sound like myself. Is this real life? Oh my god, I can't lift my head up. Ah! I can barely lift my head up. What is on the TV?
SpongeBob.
Oh my god, they gave me like really tripped out drugs. They really fucked me up. They fucked me up.
Okay.
Is that Dr. Goatsman?
No.
Oh, I
Dr.
love
Goatsman's
Dr.
not.
Goatsman. Oh my god, I can feel myself getting out of it, but I can't stop dying. Shut up, Tori. Oh my god, I can't feel. Yeah, feel my legs. Oh fuck, this is gonna look so disgusting. I can't wait to watch The Frighteners tonight.
What?
I can't wait to watch The Frighteners tonight. I can't feel my face right. Holy fuck. Mom's gonna be mad.
Why? Because you're cussing?
I'm cussing so much. How long have we been here?
Can you feel this?
Like, yes, but no. Like, don't go away. Keep bouncing my face up. I can't feel my mouth.
It's working just fine.
I feel. Ow! I just hit my foot against my other foot. God, shut up, Dory. You're talking too much. What the heck? Oh my god. Oh my god, what did they put me on? Is this even real? I was watching Gravity Falls yesterday. This is reality versus fantasy. And I think I'm coming back to my reality. It sucks. Are you videotaping all
Yes.
I want people to know I'm screaming because it's funny. Oh, my back hurts a little bit though. I feel like Bugs Bunny.
I'm doing anything gross. I'm filming.
You want a pillow under your head?
Yes, please.
Yes, yes.
Oh my god.
Can you lift your head up?
Oh, no.
There we go. Is that good?